line perpendicular to HP. In this, we'll see about how the projections will look when a line is perpendicular to horizontal plane. The top view is a point and the front view is a line showing the true length of the straight line. When a line is parallel to VP, its front view will show the true length. Line perpendicular to VP. In this, we will see how the projections of a line will look when it is perpendicular to VP. The front view is a point and the top view is a line showing the true length of the straight line. When a line is parallel to HP, its top view will show the true length. Line parallel to both HP and VP. In this, we will see how the projections of a line will be when it is parallel to both HP and VP. Both front view and top view will be parallel to XY and both will show the true length of the line. Line parallel to VP and inclined to HP. In this, we will see how the projections of a line will be when it is parallel to VP and inclined to HP. The front view will show the true length and the true inclination of the line with HP, theta. The top view will be parallel to XY and show the reduced length. Line parallel to HP and inclined to VP. In this, we will see how the projections of a line when it is parallel to HP and inclined to VP. The top view will show the true length and the true inclination of the line with the VP, phi. The front view will be parallel to XY and show reduced length. Line contained by VP. In this, we will see how the projections of a line will be when it is contained by VP. The top view of the line will lie on XY line. The front view will show the true length. Line contained by HP. In this, we will see how the projections of a line when it is contained by HP. In this, the front view will lie on XY line and the top view will show true length. Line contained by both HP and VP. In this, we will see how the projections of a line will be when it is contained by both HP and VP. In this, both front view and top view will lie on XY line. Example problem 5. In this, a line AB is of length 60 mm with one end 15 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. As the line is perpendicular to HP, its top view will be a point and front view will be showing the true length. Solution to example 5. Draw the XY line and project the front view of the line A', B' such that one end is 15 mm above HP and true length 60 mm. Draw the projector vertically downwards. The top view will be a point on the projector 30 mm below XY line. Example problem 6. In this, the line AB is of length 40 mm and is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. One end A is 15 mm in front of VP and the line is 25 mm above HP. Solution to example problem 6. Draw the XY line and a vertical projector. Mark the top view AB with length 40 mm and end A 15 mm below XY. Mark the front view as a point 25 mm above XY line. Example problem 7. In this, the line CD is of length 50 mm and is parallel to both VP and HP. The line is 40 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. Solution to example problem 7. Draw the front view C dash D dash parallel to and 40 mm above XY. Draw projectors from the ends and draw the top view CD parallel to and 25 mm below the XY line. Example problem 8. In this, the line PQ is of length 60 mm and is parallel to VP and inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to the HP. The lower end P is 20 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Solution to example problem 8. Draw the XY line and project the end P. Set true length 60 and true inclinations theta equal to 30 degrees in the front view P dash Q dash. Draw projector from Q dash. Draw the top view PQ parallel to the XY line. Example problem 9. In this, the line AB is of length 60 mm and is in VP and inclined at 40 degrees to the HP. One end A is 10 mm above HP. Solution to example 9. Draw the projections of one end A with A dash 10 mm above XY line and A on XY. Now draw the front view of the line A dash B dash with true length and true angle theta. Now draw the projectors and complete the top view AB on XY line. Example problem 10. In this, the line EF is of length 60 millimeters, which is parallel to HP and inclined at 40 degrees to the VP. The end E is 20 millimeters above HP and 15 millimeters in front of VP. Solution to example problem 10. Draw the XY line and project one end of the line E. Get E dash and E. Set the true length 60 and true inclination phi equals 40 degrees in the top view. Draw projector from F and then draw front view E dash F dash parallel to XY.